Welcome back to the HomeKit Life. I'm Josh, got my cameraman Braden here with me, and today we're talking about the Meross smart LED strips. Let's get them unboxed. All right, now that we've gotten those unboxed, we're gonna go ahead and get those things set up. We have a very special place that we wanna install these. We got some LED strip channels. We got the ones that are kind of at an angle and they're like 90 degree with an angle inside, because we're gonna mount them up by the ceiling. So let's get started on that. Okay, now that we've gotten that done, I want to go ahead and I've got the power strip here for these things. So we're going to go ahead and plug it up in here and get it wired. And today's episode is brought to you by wine. I'm going to elevate the smart home with some wine. So let's get the app open. I'm going to use the Meross app. Oh, can't reach my garage door opener. That's weird. All right, so I'm going to go in here and find the LED strips. There they are. Next, HomeKit version. Next, we'll scan the code and home. So the nice thing about these, is you get two kind of splitters coming off of the power. So we're able to get, I think each strip is like 16 feet of LED. So we're able to get, 32 feet of LED just off this one strip. So now we can say basement, continue. We can call them mood lights. Continue, done. Done. So I will say I set it up in the Meross app because if you don't, even if you add it to HomeKit, it doesn't show up in this app. I learned that with the garage door opener. And if you want to flash the firmware, you need to have the app. So let's go in here. There it is, firmware update. Oh, yep, the smart LED strip update. So we'll go ahead and let that update. All right, so while that is updating, we'll just kind of give you our thoughts and then we'll show you what it looks like. For $48, I think this is a superb value for 32 feet of LED strip. We haven't obviously had a chance to test how responsive it is. We'll let you know, we'll come back and let you know what we think of that. But the price to lighting area that you get just seems phenomenal to me, and that's why we used it down here for this project, because we had so much area that we wanted to put LED strips on. I think I estimated that we need 50-ish feet, and then we're using the channels so that we can mount it up by the ceiling area and hold it in place, and then it's got the diffuser on the front, so we get a nicely diffused light. There we go, so this is up to date. All right. So we're gonna go get that plugged in and we'll give you some smooth B-roll of us changing the lights and what that looks like. You can see it's set to white, but we'll try blue, green, orange, red, purple. Seems pretty responsive. Yeah, I love them. All right, let's go back. Okay, so we got that all hooked up. It was a breeze really to add it to HomeKit. I think A+ on that front. And then the price, you know, again, for what you're getting with that amount of LED, I think it's spectacular. You know, if we have the Nano Leaf Essential Strip over here for the podcast area, and if you just need a smaller area, I think the Nano Leaf is great because it's got thread. But for the price and for the amount we needed for down here, the Meross Smart LED strips just fit the bill for us, and they seem super fast. I mean, it remains to see if they'll stay on the Wi-Fi network and be accessible, but they're pretty close to a Wi-Fi access point that we mounted down here. So I would imagine that that's gonna work out pretty good. So, you know, for me, this is an A+ product. I would recommend it highly. So, you know, if you are interested in picking up your own set of lights, you know, again, it comes with the one connector and then 2 rolls, 16-foot rolls. You can do that using the link in the description below. And if you do that, you will support our channel. We use affiliate links, so we very much appreciate you helping us grow. Again, we don't get paid any money. We don't get any free products here, so we just kind of pay out of pocket to do all this on our own time. And we're a father-son team just trying to build a smart home. So if you want, hit that like button. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this as we build our smart home out every week using Apple. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out our podcast, HomeKit 5. We talk every week about smart home, Apple smart home news. So thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next episode.